So Asake concert is actually ongoing, and he has been touring loads and loads of states in the US and London and other places in the world. And last night he brought in a lot of big boys. I'm talking of the likes of Davido, Tunde Ednut, Zlatan. The list is just endless here. A lot of big boys, African big boys and American big boys, were all present there last night at the State Farm to celebrate with Asake. Here's the highlight from that one. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment.
Come on, baby. You see the set? Hey, one bang. Please move. You're not my babe today. I have new girlfriends. See the set, baby. Come on, bro. Jeez. Come on, baby. Gang shit. Come on. Quavo, baby. What's up? Tell him. Gang shit. Bro. Off things. Off things. Come on, AK, baby. What's up? You're telling me. Come on, baby. You see the set? Come on, baby. Come on, bro. Come on, gang shit. Come on, bro. Take that.
When I can't leave this guy alone for that room.
Power, baby. Come on, bro. The power. Come on. That's 001, baby. Talk about it. Come on. Gang shit. Gang shit.
I wish I could have my money that I'm sat here. I don't think I can understand me now. My swag is for falling down. I'm my capital. I'm sorry, what much caliber. But they falling down. Best stuff for the Nigeria.
Let's see what's up.
Supporting love, my love out for good and like more. Every people up and up, I'm sorry, kill us all. And I'm not timid, I'm in mom. You can't para much at the time. Every people up and up, I'm a look at me, sorry, kill us all. Lost all, oh, I don't know. It's the money.
baby? When are you coming? I wanna know now. When are you coming? Oh, my children, baby. When are you coming? I wanna know. I wanna take somebody to Africa now, yeah. I wanna take somebody to Nigeria, yeah. I wanna take somebody to Jamaica, yeah. I wanna take somebody to Ghana, yeah. I wanna take somebody to where? Equatorial Guinea. Woo! Where else are we going? We're going to Zambia, right? And after we come back to Espanol. So who's ready to go with me? Who? Now bring it up. Listen, if you wanna go with me, do you wanna go with me? Talk to me, do you wanna go with me? I said, do you wanna go with me? Are you sure you wanna go with me? Now listen, after the festival, go back to your house, pack up your clothes, your fine clothes, and your dress. Put on your makeup. And from here, we go to the airport. From the airport to straight to Equatorial Guinea. From Equatorial Guinea, we take you to Nigeria. And from Nigeria, we go to Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Abidjan, everywhere we go. After that, we take it straight to Jamaica. We sing some gin. And we smoke some. Much love for everybody that loves African music and Jamaican music.